DNA supercoiling, a form of DNA in which the double helix is further twisted about itself, forming a tightly coiled structure, is said to be a supercoiled DNA structure. There are basically two types of DNA supercoiling. The first one is the negative supercoiling, and the second one is the positive supercoiling. In negative supercoiling, DNA is twisted about an axis in direction opposite to the right-handed double helix, and it causes a decrease in the number of turns of one helix around another. While in case of positive supercoiling, twists of supercoil are in the same direction as that of the double helix, and it increases the number of turns of one helix around another. We need to remove supercoiling because when DNA replication takes place, degree of supercoiling might affect transcription. Topoisomerase is an enzyme which causes changes in supercoiling. So if this is a relaxed DNA, the strand might break and twists at 360 degree. Then it rejoins and a form of supercoiled DNA is obtained. Lk is the linking number of the supercoiling. Level of supercoiling may be quantified in terms of change in linking number from that of closed circular molecule, which is Lk naught. So delta Lk is equal to Lk naught minus Lk. Delta Lk is the change in linking number. Lk naught is the linking number of the circular molecule. Lk is the linking number of the supercoiled molecule. So it corresponds to the number of 360 degree twists. DNA when isolated from E. coli is negatively supercoiled by around 6 turns per 100 turns of helix. So basically per 100 turns of helix there are 6 more turns. So delta Lk upon Lk naught is 0.06. Topoisomer is basically molecule of a given linking number is called topoisomer. The linking number of closed circular DNA is a topological property, that is one which cannot be changed without breaking one or both of DNA backbone. Topoisomers differ from each other only in their linking numbers. Twist and write. Conformation basically means shape and structure of something. Conformation of DNA can be altered while the linking number remains constant to extreme conformation of a supercoiled DNA. So equilibrium condition lies between the two extremes corresponding to the same change in both twist and write induced by the supercoiling. Partition may be expressed by following equation: delta Lk naught is equal to delta Tw plus delta Wr, in which delta Lk is the change in linking number, and it must be an integer, that is a whole number, while Tw is twist and Wr are write, and they need not be a whole number. The topological change in supercoiling of DNA molecule is partitioned into a conformational change in twists or change in write. Structure of the chromosome DNA when it is isolated as a completely unfolded, relaxed, covalently closed circular molecule of DNA is in this diagram. So this first one shows a circular unfolded chromosome. Then the second shows the folded chromosome, actually 42, 50 to 100 base pairs. Then further supercoiling occurs. This is a supercoiled folded chromosome. In this there are two kinds: a partially unfolded chromosome which is RNA cleaved due to the partial RNase reaction, and if the partial DNase reaction occurs, there is a partially Nick uncoiled chromosome. So this is the nick which is there. A visual definition of negative supercoiling: relaxed covalently closed DNA, one strand cuts, the single strand rotates 360 degree along the neck, and the left-handed rotation occurs and ligase joins the neck. And if we go in the backward direction, the strands cuts and a 360 degree right-handed rotation occurs, which causes a relaxed nicked circular DNA. then it is ligated to form a relaxed covalently closed DNA. So this is a relaxed DNA and this is a negatively supercoiled covalently closed DNA. Gyrase is the enzyme which produces negative supercoils 2 at a time. Many biological functions of chromosomes can be carried out only when participating DNA molecules are negatively supercoiled. Supercoiling is involved in recombination, gene expression, regulation of gene expression. Negatively supercoiling is almost certainly required for the replication of all the DNA molecules.